7th grade Geography of World Regions, Lesson 2, why are different types of maps important? In this lesson, students identify the importance of using different types of maps. Maps are one of the primary tools used in geography to represent information and to explain phenomena. Students must be shown how to use maps, how to interpret maps, and how to make maps appropriately. Students will complete a gallery walk that introduces them to different types of maps. Then the teacher will introduce types of maps. In this lesson, we are dealing with types of maps. So our hook activity is a types of maps gallery walk. You'll notice in the teacher notes that you'll need to print a set of the gallery walk maps to display around the room. And then we've talked about laminating the notes so that you don't have to keep printing those, but that's up to you if you want to print them for your students to write on. But there are, I believe, 7 maps, so you would need multiple copies, or you can just print the one and then students can write on their own paper. So you're going to start out with the types of map gallery walk. These are not labeled. Students are going to be making observations about what's on the map, what's the purpose of the map, so that eventually they can see that we have different types of map for different purposes. Then once you finish with that, put them in a think, pair, share, ask them to discuss the different maps that they saw and possible reasons of why geographers use different kinds of maps. Our activity 2 is the types of map PowerPoint presentation. Here is your content for the different types of maps that we'll be using this year and that we hope that students learn about. And then there are some, for activity 3, some types of map scenarios. These are little situations where it talks about something that somebody needs to do geographically, and the students are to identify what type of map should be used. Again, I do have all of these on a digital version. If you are wanting to use them online, please seek me out if that is something you would like to be a part of. And this is types of maps. They are all housed in Rubicon here in Unit 1, Lesson 2. Start with your lesson guide, and then everything that you need to be successful with these lessons are included here for you. And in your OneDrive, you can see that we have Unit 1. We're labeling them with their identifier. Again, everything that you need to help you with this, including the maps for the gallery walk. This is Lesson 2, Geography of World Regions.